Hi guys, it's Sahasra. I'm from Green. Today I'm going to make another garden video. I just wanted to show you how everything is going. So, as you can remember, I planted these a few weeks ago. Some of them already have big roots that are ready to be cut. This is the bigger one. It's got 8 feet now, all the way back. And over there. There are lots of little things, smaller. Go under. There's some up here. Yeah. Next, here's the snake guard. It's way past here, so we might have to add another extension. Also, it's not afraid of it. It just needs to grow. See? And there's flower up there, as you can see, and there's another fruit that's about to go there. And lots more flowers up, and some along the line that's going to climb up. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. These are the next ones. They're ridge gods and bottle gods. We have actually 2 ridge gods that are already grown, and I'm going to harvest them. But before I do that, I want to show you. There's fruits growing. If you can see them, they're really fun. So yeah, now it's time to harvest these. Okay, I'm going to cut about right here. If that's right. These are kind of hard to cut. Oh, I did it. And take the vine off. And there's no way down. Alright. And it's right here. And done! I think we're gonna have these for dinner. So now I'll move on to the next one. The next ones, they're tomatoes up here. Oh, by the way, this is chili. I think these are green chilies. Not gonna cut anything in this flower, in this ridge bed, I should say. And there are lots of tomatoes in a row. I mean, look. There are tomatoes here. There are even tomatoes inside. And even for the smaller plants, try not to step on anything. There are tomatoes. And these are more chilies. And a couple more tomatoes over here. Step on anything. Alright, here's the last tomatoes. I don't know what they are. And then again, we have the strawberries. Something bit that strawberry. I think it's like a bunny. Telling by the marks on it. Yeah, and we have a bunch over here that are getting ready. Alright, and we have eggplants. We have so many. There's a big one right here. I'm not gonna cut these. I don't know how to. So, a bunch of these. And I think that's another strawberry based on the leaves. Or an eggplant. I don't know. So, now that this bed's done, let's move on to the next one. So, I'm going to have to sit down for this one because the couch turned in the dark. But I don't know how to move around. I'll get up. And so there are 2 bell peppers. I mean, look how big these are. I feel like we can cut these soon. I'm really excited. And here, I think this is bell pepper. Oh, that's right. And then you got more eggplants here. These are younger than those ones. And we arrive at the field and Okra. So over here going, there's the smaller ones. That's yours. Alright, and then going here, look, we even have 2 veggies. This one's bigger. Oh, they're kind of fluffy too. And yeah, so like going further, we have more. Just making and here we have the row of chilies. This is supposed to be a tomato plant. I guess you can tell, but some of the dry leaves, it didn't work out. These 3 plants are like sprouting like crazy. We'll probably have to give some away. I mean, what are we gonna do with all these? And I thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the notification button. Bye!